Hello everyone, good time. Welcome to meditation of sleep. Sit in a suitable place. If you need more time, you can stop this video and after that watch it. Close your eyes. Imagine you are in the bed. Take a deep breath. Feel your body. Feel your body. It's pulled down. Feel with every breath you calmer. Say thanks to your pillow, to your room, to your bed, to your window, all of them. Don't forget to inhale and exhale between your exercise. Say thanks to your ability of hearing. This exercise for rest your body. Please repeat this sentence. I let my body feed like sleep. I'm not thinking about anything. I'm grateful for everything. I have a peace feel. I feel free in full security. Feel many people around the world want give you a lot of good feel now. Feel your place is very comfortable. You are in a peace. Everything is fine. You are lovely. Now, open your eyes slowly. You feel love inside of your mind. Have a good feel, guys.